Russia. Ukraine war. Ukraine claims to have launched drone strikes on Russian air bases inside Russia. Ukrainian officials say they have launched drone strikes on Russian air bases inside Russia, including one in Belgorod, a city near the border with Ukraine. The strikes reportedly caused significant damage, but there is no confirmation from Russia. 6 people die as migrant boat sinks in the English Channel. 6 people have died, and several others are missing after a migrant boat sank in the English Channel. The boat was carrying about 25 people when it capsized. The survivors were rescued by the French and British Coast Guards. Virgin Galactic's first space tourists had a surreal experience. The first space tourists to fly on Virgin Galactic's VSUZ Unity have spoken about their surreal experience. The tourists, who paid $250,000 each for the trip, spent about 6 minutes in space, where they could see the curvature of the Earth. Reasonable to believe genocide against Armenians being committed, former ICSI chief prosecutor says. The former chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, EC, has said that there is a reasonable basis to believe that genocide is being committed against Armenians in Azerbaijan. Karim Khan, who is now the prosecutor of the IT, made the remarks in a report to the UN Security Council. China's fertility rate hits record low in 2022. China's fertility rate has hit a record low in 2022, with just 1.3 children born per woman. This is well below the replacement rate of 2.1 children per woman. The low fertility rate is a major concern for China, as it is facing a rapidly aging population. China's fertility rate hits record low in 2022. China's fertility rate has hit a record low in 2022, with just 1.3 children born per woman. This is well below the replacement rate of 2.1 children per woman. The low fertility rate is a major concern for China, as it is facing a rapidly aging population. Christie surpasses DeSantis in New Hampshire poll for 2024 GOP nomination. Former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie has surpassed Florida Governor Ron DeSantis in a new poll of likely Republican voters in New Hampshire. The poll, which was conducted by the University of New Hampshire, found that Christie is now the leading candidate for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, with 22 of the vote. DeSantis is in second place with 19 of the vote. Death toll reaches 101 in Maui wildfires. Recovery efforts continue. The death toll from the wildfires on the Hawaiian island of Maui has reached 101. The wildfires, which began on August 11, have destroyed more than 2,000 homes and businesses. Recovery efforts are continuing, but the full extent of the damage is still unknown. New study finds that climate change is causing more extreme weather events. A new study published in the journal Nature Climate Change has found that climate change is causing more extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and wildfires. The study found that the frequency and intensity of these events have increased in recent years, and that the trend is likely to continue. Scientists discover new species of dinosaur in Argentina. Scientists have discovered a new species of dinosaur in Argentina. The dinosaur, which has been named Meraxes gigas, was a large theropod, similar to a Tyrannosaurus rex. The discovery is the first new species of dinosaur to be found in Argentina in over 20 years. Archaeologists find ancient city in Mexico. Archaeologists have found the ruins of an ancient city in Mexico. The city, which is believed to have been founded around 1000 BC, is located in the Yucatan Peninsula. The discovery is the largest Mayan city ever found in the region. Hubble telescope captures new images of the Carina Nebula. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured new images of the Carina Nebula, a star-forming region located about 7,600 light-years from Earth. The images show the nebula in unprecedented detail, revealing thousands of stars, many of which are still forming. Scientists developed new way to detect cancer cells. Scientists have developed a new way to detect cancer cells. The method, which uses a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning, can identify cancer cells with more accuracy than traditional